Want to explore your data frame using AI? Then here we go. Follow us to know more about ML, DL, OpenAI, generative AI. Okay, let's start. So to explore your data frame, we have a library called PandasAI. Okay, this library is built on top of LangChain and OpenAI. And to explore the Pandas AI, you need OpenAI API key. Okay, so let's start. So to install Pandas AI, simply pip install and Pandas AI is what you need to write it there. From Pandas AI, we'll import only a smart data frame. This is where the whole logic is. Okay, there we'll give a simple data frame and then LLM object of OpenAI. Okay, so let's import that, and I'm importing again another thing, that is pandas spd, and created a data frame. And once it's done, then I just looked into the data. So we have a data code which is of GDP, country, and happiness index. Okay, I'm using another library to load my .env. Okay, there you need to add your OpenAI key. Okay, and I will add mine. So okay, so now I added my OpenAI key in it and I'm loading it. So you see it gave me that we have the .env there and it's loaded. Okay, now from PandasAI.llm we need to import OpenAI. Okay, we'll use OpenAI to retrieve the data based on the query that we give. Okay, we have everything done. We created an object of OpenAI. Okay, and as I told you before that we'll use SmartDataFrame, and there we'll give the data frame, and then we'll give the configurations of LLM. Okay, so in a config what you need to give is LLM and then the object of LLM. Okay, so once it's done, then you can use that in the same way also. If on a pandas, whatever you do, same way you can do everything on this data frame. Okay, like here I just selected United States country, so it gave me the data, and now is the time. So I want to retrieve top 5 countries by GDP. Okay, so it I'm giving it text. Okay, and it will give me output. So you can see we got data. Okay, and it gave me perfect data based on the data that we have. Okay, so this is the way how you can use Pandas AI and with OpenAI and retrieve the simple queries using chat. Okay, so chat is a function that's there in Smart Data Frame, and you can directly query your uh, question over here and it will give you a relevant output. Okay, so I hope you liked it, and subscribe our channel to learn more and more. I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.